Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Test on the levels. Test on the levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Test on the levels. Test on the levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Let me see something. Is my big ass head in the way, bro? Test on the levels. Test on the levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Levels are good. Let me just see. This ain't right. What I have over there? The VIX. Test on the levels. Test on the levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Levels are good. All right. The S triple Q is behind me right there. This. I mean, that's the S triple Q right there. I was just about to show it to you. I'll move it, or I'll put the S triple Q up top there, and then I'll put success down here. Those are my bears. All right. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Let me check. Let's see how the audio is real quick. Bears. Oh, it sounds decent. All right. Okay. I forgot to set up my YouTube shit. All right. Let's put that, and then I want to see something real quick. All right, that is my other screen. Hold on. So F2, no, F4 goes over there. All right, and then F5 goes over there. Yeah. And then F3 goes to the main screen. But this is in the way, so we're gonna go like this. All right. Bear with me. It's been a while. What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. So drop it in real quick. Trying to touch base with you. Yeah, man. They bro, they was with the shits earlier. You had seen that? Look. So right here, we came out, gap filled immediately. I mean, if you look at the S&P 500 real quick, you can right here. And I guess we'll see if we can see it on the 3-minute. Yeah. So actually, let's go to like the 5. As you can see, when we opened up, we like gapped up obviously because we were trending up because the numbers came in cool or whatever. Let me just check one more thing real quick. All right. The numbers came in cool, so obviously we gapped up. We gap filled immediately, but then so that's why we got that dump. All right. But then oh, it's been a while since I used this platform, bro. Yeah, some time to get readjusted to this. Quick, hold on, I gotta do something. It's too quiet. Music in the background, bro. Yeah. Beats by E, bro. Yeah, so yeah, we faded Gatfield, right? But like, if you were watching The Spy or The Q's around this time, what is this? A 3 minute? What else we got? The 5. Go with the 5. Yeah, if you were watching like The Spy or The Q's or whatever around this time when we had got this dump right here, I was like, oh, bro, that's a stop hunt, bro. You could tell it was, because if you think about it, the numbers came in basically cool yesterday and cool today and in line. So I gotta change this right here. So you could just tell that was like a stop hunt right here. Right here where we dumped. I mean, it doesn't look that dramatic, but like on the 5 minute, you could see it. We dumped, but I was like, bruh, because down here, I thought we had based, right? And I went long. I grabbed some calls. I'll tell you which ones I grabbed in a minute. But like once I seen us like kind of basing down here, I went long. Let me see. Oh, the 542s. And then we dumped right here. And I was like, yo, that's a stop hunt. And then obviously, if they're doing the stop hunt, it's triggering a bunch of stops. You feel me? So that's why we dumped hard like that. But then once I seen this basin, like once I seen it stop hemorrhaging right here, like I knew we were gonna trim back up just because the numbers were cool and shit. Even though I went long right here, like I just rode it out through that stop hunt because I knew we were gonna bounce and trend up. And look, they did the same thing right here, which is more drastically. Another stop hunt. And then we came back. But what indicators? Hold on, bro. Let me make sure I'm on the right screen. Yeah. There be some VWAP action, bro. No, I don't even got VWAP on my shit. What? Let's go ahead and intraday only, but on the VWAP. Oh my God, he went long and he got chopped up in the markets. Triple wanna spark it up. Yeah, I knew that was a stop hunt, went long, but my only problem, once again, me not letting my winners run. You feel me? I could have let them run. Hold on, looks like we dropping frames, bro. Like, dog, if I start dropping too many fucking frames, I'm not. Don't do this shit. Because they like to attack my stream. Let me watch it real quick. Let's see if this is working. What chart are we on? What screen we on? Alright, the top. Alright. Let me get this out the way. Oh, I'm still trying to get readjusted. We ain't dropping too many frames right now. I mean, this is just a rudimentary setup right here, bro. Watching on the 10. Watch the spot on the 10 up here. And then I also watch it on the daily, I guess. But this is what I'm looking at. Look at this trend we've been in. Right here on the daily, just higher lows, higher lows. I mean, this one was on a higher low, but we pushed up. But look, we just been going straight up on the daily, on the spot. And we were in a channel. I mean, let me see if I can show it to you real quick. So look, I mean, that's Apple, but let's clear all this off. Look, we're in this channel right here. Something like that. Trending down. I mean, it could be a little wider, but we're also in like another little baby channel right here. Look. This is the one I was focusing on. Going straight up. Doing it. Same thing on the Qs. Whatever. No, actually, let's watch the dollar, bro. The dollar is the truth. But look, the dollar's been trending up, bro. But if you look at it, it's been going down, going down. You know, if the dollar's trending down, we're cracking, going down. But what's interesting right now is we did kind of break down a little bit, but now the dollar's trending back up. So that could be an indication that we might sell off. Let me see something. All right. What the hell? My diamond cells ain't working. I ain't getting no live data. Man, something wrong with my shit, bro. But look, they did the same thing, bro. Stop hunt, then we fucking trended up, put in more than a V and a half. And then they did the same thing right here. And now it's looking like we're going back up. But hold on real quick. I'm not right. Alright. And then you got look, S triple Q. So when I seen the S triple Q come up here and then start rejecting and start going down, I knew the market, because it's actually it's inverse. Or you see this thing sliding, you know the market's going up. Also, you see the dollar sliding, you know the market should be going up. Also, if the VIX is pretty low, you see the market should be going up as well. Same thing with success, but this pertains more to let me side this up real quick. Same thing with success, but this pertains more to the semiconductors. I always keep my eye on some bears and the dollar and the VIX. You know, and that kind of can help you predict which way the market's gonna go. Alright, just watch that. Let me try to fix my level 2 real quick. sure that's right real quick. Yeah. Gotta watch that level too, bro. And the tape that basically will tell you kind of, I mean, the level 2 sometimes, like the way the you know what I'm saying, the orders, like the bid and the asks, how many are stacked, but that could be spoofed. What you really want to pay attention to is the tape. And I know the tape on this platform isn't really all that. I don't usually trade on this. I use this more for long-term investing. I'm just trying something out. Drop 30 frames. But yeah, stopped hunt there. Came up. Look, they sold off again. Almost like another stop hunt. And you got to understand, when they do that, it triggers a lot of stops. So it triggers more sell orders. And that will accelerate the move down. But I knew it was just like a stop hunt liquidity grab type thing. So even though I went long here, I held through this, seen as stop hemorrhaging, and then caught the move back up. Only thing is I cut it too early. Cut it like around here. And I seen us having trouble, but I could have held on a little longer. And look, they doing the same shit. Stop hunt it. Stop hunt it. Look, now we're going back up. Why does that do that? Let's get rid of these. Dude, I'm not used to this platform, bro. Yeah, that's it. Look, they doing the same shit. But let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, so pre-market low right here. You got pre-market high right here, but I mean, that is the true pre-market low and pre-market high, but that's just how wide we went from the algos off the number print. But I mean, it's almost the same look right here, so you can use that and that. Yeah, pre-market low, pre-market high. I mean, we're way above that, but look, kind of having trouble right there on that pre-market high. So let's see if we can break past that. See all these green prints? Just got hit with a bunch of red prints. So yeah, pre-market low and pre-market high, bro. Always gonna be significant levels, in my opinion. That and your daily levels. Look, you see all those green prints? All these green prints right here? Making me think we might be able to go ahead and break past that. But I mean, you also got some resistance up here, bro. So I mean, yeah, when we break past it, why does that keep doing that? Let me go here, dude. The pre-market high, pre-market low. Yeah, that's it. But what I'm saying is, even if we break past this, there's some resistance up there. Right up there. But I mean, what is it? I'll be looking at the 544s real quick. We'll break past this and up here to the top of the range if I was long biased, which I kind of am because we've been putting in higher lows. But let's see if we can break past this pre-market high first. Let's see what's going on over here. Alright. This triple Q. It's kind of acting like it wants to hold the 120 and red to green. So and look, it's starting to bounce. And that's why you see the SPY looking weak at that pre-market high right there, starting to pull back a little bit. But honestly, I mean, all the action is really going to take place the first hour and a half or whatever. So at this point, I mean, if I were to try to put on a trade, it'd either have to be at the top of the range or the bottom in the middle here. I mean, I don't really see a point. I mean, Tesla. Let me make sure this is going to the right screen. Yeah. A good Tesla right here. You got like a little double bottom. I mean, right here and right here. And then you looks like there's a level there. I can't really see it, it's too far. I need Tesla to do something though. What's that keep defaulting 20 minutes? Alright. 5. Look at Apple. I mean, shit. Whatchamacallit sold all his Apple shares, right? Or not all of them, but half of them, which was a lot. The Oracle, he sold all his Apple shares and Apple kept ripping. So I mean, but still he made bank on that move, so whatever. But still, you would think if he sold all his Apple shares, that many Apple shares, Apple would tank. But Apple's been holding up pretty good. Let's look at it. Look, there was the high on Apple. Yeah, we sold off initially, but now look what it's been doing. Apple's just been trending straight up, bro, on the daily. So yeah, I mean, you would think if Warren Buffett sold that many shares of Apple, this thing would tank and it would spook everyone, but I guess not. You feel me? I'm not used to this platform, bro. It got grid lines on it and shit. I don't like the grid lines. Yeah, look at Apple on the daily. You'd expect that thing to be selling off. And look at Meta, the range king, bro. I say it all the time. Look, I mean, really, I'd be more comfortable at that level, but I mean, top of the range is the top of the range. Look at that shit. TaylorMade fades and dip buying. Look at that. Chopping around up here, wicking to the downside. Let you know you can fade it. Finding support with the rest of the market, you can buy the dip. Back up here, running out of steam, fade it. And look, now we're consolidating again down here. Might be a dip buying opportunity. And then look, the SPY trying to break past that pre-market high. Let's get in the trenches on the 1 minute so we can really see what's going on. Not much going on right now. Like during this time, like, but we are breaking past that pre-market high again. I mean, you're going long to where up here, unless you're anticipating a breakout, which isn't far-fetched at this point. But honestly, yeah, you see, we're having trouble there. And let's get rid of that. I don't know. Higher lows. I'm not used to this. Look at all those red prints. Look, seeing all those red prints, and we pulled back, started dumping a little bit. That's why I think it's important to watch the level 2 and the take. Because, say for instance, if you start seeing a bunch of green prints hitting that thing and it starts speeding up, then you know we're about to break past that. It's really low volume right now, not a lot going on. They see that wick, they're buying it. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's make sure I'm on the right damn screen. Hold on. Yeah. Every time it's trying to break. Oh, see on those green prints? Looking like we might break past that. Yeah. But I mean, the 544s is what you would be targeting. The only problem is the 544 calls. Because I mean, there's resistance up here. And look, red prints. And then you see it starting to dump. So that's why I don't like to put my trades in the middle of the range like that. You feel me? Look. See what's going on over there. And as you can see, you got the SQQQ trying to bounce here off of the 120 and red to green. Let's get rid of the 10 SMA. And then also Success trying to bounce. You probably can't see that. Pull it up real quick. trying to bounce. So I'd be wary of going long right now. And so you see these start to pull back. IWM just chopping around down here on the bottom of the range. I mean, holding support though. Oh shit. What happened to the spot just now, dude? I've seen a bunch of red prints hit that shit. And we just pulled back all the way to VWAP. Seen all those red prints? Look at that volume spiking. I mean, I took a couple of trades earlier, bro. You know what trade I think is probably gonna be a good one? To get out ahead of before earnings on Friday. Baba. Look, especially down here. $80 calls expiring Friday. But I mean, let's see if we get a pullback back down here to the bottom of the range. But all them red prints are selling that shit. I mean, I got some Baba in my long term. Let's see if we get a pullback and a retest of the bottom of the range. Or let's see what happens on the 9 EMA right here, which is that purple line. Let's see if we can hold the 9. Doesn't look like it. Let's actually zoom out real quick. Bro, look at that. So if that dump, if you'd have just bought the dip down here, anytime you see a move like that, like 9 times out of 10, bro, when you get a dump that hard, we're gonna bounce. So look, right all the way down here at what's that? 78.10. So maybe the 79s, 79 calls. If you'd have grabbed them down here for a quick scalp, those would have paid. You feel me? Even 0 DTEs, but you can't get 0 DTEs on Baba, so you would have to go out till Friday. Let me just make sure I'm on the wrong chart. Right chart, yeah. Let me do something real quick. So look, the $80 calls on Baba expiring on Friday are $1.80, 180 bucks. So if you think Baba is gonna beat on earnings, I mean that's a no-brainer. Success. Where's my S triple Q at? Yeah. Got Baba pulling back a little bit, but I mean that's not necessarily a bad thing. Let's see if it pulls back to retest the support down here, and if we do hold it, I mean, then you can definitely grab those 80s or even the 79s back down here. If we pull back down here and hold this, I grabbed the 79 calls expiring on Friday. You know what I'm saying? You know, like buy the rumor. Buy the rumor and sell the news, bro. What my shit look like that? This would look boof as hell, bro. Look, the SPY rejected off pre-market high. Pre-market high, pre-market low. Pre-market high holding up decent. That's what I'm saying. If you're trading intraday, I mean, obviously the best levels are going to come off the daily, but other than that, your pre-market high and your pre-market low, bro. Oh, here comes the SPY again, and then you see, the SQQQ is looking like it was trying to fade a little bit. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, it was, but now it's trying to bounce off VWAP. So, I mean, you'd have to watch that with the VIX. See how the VIX is starting to have a little life? And make sure I'm not blocking that. Yeah, VIX is starting to show a little life, but wicking to the downside. SQQQ trying to like wick to the upside off of VWAP. Kind of see some life coming into SOXS a little bit. We'll go to like a 3-minute. Can't really see it, but this is SOXS. I'm blocking it. See how the thing's like trying to bounce? Hold VWAP, holding VWAP. A little bit of life coming into the VIX. I mean, I don't really watch the VIX. I watch the VIX on like the 5 or the 10-minute, bro. And then the dollar. Look, as you see, the VIX showing a little signs of life, along with SOXS and the SQQQ trying to hold VWAP. Like you see the IWM, the Russell 2000 fading. Go back to the SPY. SPY starting to fade. Let's get rid of the preview. Environment. I mean, a viable trade would also, I mean, after your proof of concept right here, came up to previous close, pulled back, previous close, pulled back a little bit again for a quick scalp, previous close again, rejected, pulled back. I mean, you could have scalped to the downside. All right, what's going on up here? Hey, Tesla is like bullshit in here, bro. Look at Meta range. Oh, and another thing about Meta, you know what I always say, right? Matter of fact, let me show you over here, bro. Oh shit! You see all those red prints? It might be going down. Look. Look, what I always say about Meta, off the open, this thing pops, dude. Let's see if I can slide this over a little bit. Right off the open, giving you range from what, 528, and that what in the first 2 minutes from 528 up to 532. So what, $4 move real quick. And usually Meta does that a lot, bro. Look at that range though, bro. Shit, tailor made for the fade. Or if you're a little hip, just motherfucking about to dip. Don't trip. Huh? Look at that. Tailor made, bro. Look at that. I mean, this wick, not that early, but once you seen this, once we came back up here, you knew there was a chance we could hit this and reject again, because that was the top of the range earlier. But I'd say the real level would be like right here. Coming up here, wicking to the downside. So I mean, the 532 strike to the downside, or the 530s, whatever one. I know Meta strikes are different. It's probably like 532.50 or some shit. When I can tell you exactly what it was. Hold on. Yeah, the 532.50s. Yeah, 532.50s, or even the 530s. I'm at 530s, way up here. You could have caught the 530s too. But if you would have got in up here when you seen this wick rejecting like that, I mean, this is the 5 minute. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. Yeah, you see all them wicks and shit, bro? I'll let you know when it's trying to go up, they're selling into it. And then this one right here, definitely. But you know, you go ahead and fade that. Oh shit. I think my headphones are going to. Alright. Let's look at this. Let's look at the level 2 in the tape. And see if Meta has a chance to go back and test the top again. But yeah, I'll say the play I really like would be I say Baba going into earnings. What's today? Tuesday, Wednesday. So you still got a couple more days. You grab let me see, where's Baba trading at? Look, I mean, it'd be better to get like the 179s down here, but the 180s. But down here, yeah, definitely the 179 calls expiring on Friday. But the I'm sorry, not the 179, the 79s. But you can grab the 80s expiring on Friday, and you don't have to hold them till Friday. Who knows? Like we could gap up or trend up the rest of this day, or gap up tomorrow or something, up to like up here to the top of the up here where this resistance is, and then just sell them then. Don't have to hold them till Friday. But you know they're gonna buy the rumor, bro. Let's see, let's go out like a month. Six months. A year. 2 years. You feel me? I feel like Baba's been in the damn dumps way too long, bro. And I like it. Hold up. Do something. Let's go to 5 year. Look, Baba was at 310. The only thing that's been holding this thing down is the China FUD, bro. But if they come out with some decent earnings, I feel like we could at least pop to over 80, bro. At least. And I got some Baba in the long term, bro. I have shares though. But I'm thinking about grabbing those $80 calls. I might grab them. Oh. I know a play that's gonna print for sure, bro. Oh, I got some Broadcom too. I bought some shares before they had that split. And look, this thing is already going up. DJT, bro. Come on, you know Trump gonna win, right? And look, let me make sure I'm not blocking it. Hold up. Yeah. Hey, look. I mean, shit. Down here near the lows. I mean, not a bad spot. Not a bad cop. It's already at the lows, so you can't have a bad drop. Feel me? The risk to reward, dog. But what I was saying was DJT leaps. You feel me? Go out like a year. I'll tell you how much they cost right now. Hold up. Remember, also, anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. But let's see how much these DJT leaps cost. Alright. Look, and it's at 23 right now. So you grab you some 24s. But you gotta go out like, I'll say March of 2025. And look, the $24 calls going out. You know what I'm saying? Like a year or so. They're $7.95, so $800. Let's see. Let me see. Or if you can go out to January of 2026. That's freaking 520 days away. So, yeah, I'm saying over like a year and a half, right? I mean, $25 calls. The spread's too wide on those though, right? Like, huge spread. The ask is $11. The bid is $8.75. So I mean, they gotta do something with that spread first. But go out to March 2025. It's a 219 days away, bro. The $24 calls. There's still a wide ass spread. So you'd have to eat. Look, on the bid, they're 710. On the ask, they're 795. So you'd have to eat like $80 to buy them on the ask. But dude, with the election coming up, you know Trump's gonna win, and as the election rhetoric starts to heat up, and especially if he wins and he starts posting all his shit on his own social media platform, bro, this thing's gonna rocket, bro. You just have to go out. Gotta go out like a year, bro. I mean, you don't have to go out that far, but for it to be leaps, yeah. Oh, let's see. Or we can go January 2025. And those are a little cheaper. But the spread's so wide, bro. If the $25 calls expiring in January of next year, I mean, the asks are $7. The bid, they're $6.50. So a 50-cent spread. So you have to eat $50 to just get right in those. But bro, I'm telling you, bro. And then we already know what this thing can do. Look. I don't know if I'm blocking it or not. But alright, let's just go to the monthly. I'm at the weekly. Look, it spiked all the way up to 170. So, dude, imagine having those $24 calls or $25 calls, and this bitch spiking to 170 right quick. So there's, who knows how much they be worth, bro. I mean, they're already worth like $6. They probably go up to like $30, $40 each. All right, don't worry, I'll do it. I'll grab some. All right, let's go back to see what's going on with the SPY. Oh, look, coming back to test that pre-market high again, bro. Looking pretty strong too, bro. Those green Brents. Don't know why I was doing that. That's some setting I got on. Going up there to test that. We'll see some action during power hour for sure, bro. And I know we're up in the rafters and shit, right? Let's get rid of these. We know where the pre-market high and pre-market low is. We are up in the rafters. Where's the all-time high at, bro? Not too far away from all-time highs, bro. Look at that. 1 week. All you do is just buy some calls, dude, on Monday and hold them for close them out Friday, bro. There's all time miles up here, bro. Let's just get rid of all these, but messing up my chart somehow. God dang. You need proof that the stock market just goes up over time, bro. Look at that weekly. I'm at the monthly. Look at that, dude. That's so crazy. Let's go back to something more sensible. Seems to be some resistance there, bro, on that pre-market high, bro. We definitely about to see some action on Power Hour, though. Definitely. Let's take a look around and see what we could figure out. All right, look, you got the S triple Q leaking, putting in. I mean, it's a 3-minute chart, but all right, let's go to the 5. Leaking down, putting in some lower lows and lower highs on the 5-minute. Already broke down VWAP. So now it just needs to break down the 120 and then red to green. If you see that happen, then you pretty much know that the market is going to head up, at least in the short term. And then look, the VIX is getting low. Look, the Russell is holding the support down there. It's like a quad bottom there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moment. Let's zoom out. Yeah, I mean, I like that for a quick move up. You just have to go out a couple days, bro. Oh shit, my bad. SPY going up to test this pre-market high again, bro. But honestly, me personally, seeing how many times we keep rejecting off this pre-market high, definitely want to see some more proof of concept. But we could get the melt up though. But if we get up here and start faltering, chopping around and wicking, I'll be looking for the fade going until the close. Especially that last 10-15 minutes. 10 minutes of terror, bro. Wait, hold up. I made that beat and I paid for it. I paid for the sample. Every time I play it, they give me a copyright. Alright, here comes the spy trying to test a pre-market high again. Oh. What about the Qs? The Qs was way wide. Oh, I need more space. Right, let's get rid of some of this. You can see what's going on here, bro. Damn, I got a bad headache, bro. I think I took too long to drink my coffee or something. Alright. There's your pre-market high. The Qs ain't getting nowhere near it. The Qs are still backside, basically. They're still red on the day. They haven't went red to green in a minute. So, but let me make sure I'm on the right chart, bro. Look. Yeah. So the Qs are still red on the day. The SPY is green on the day. Been that way for a minute. So I mean, they're gonna converge at one point. Either the SPY breaks past this pre-market high and starts to trend up to the top, and it drags the Qs up, or the opposite, and this thing keeps rejecting off this and drags the Qs down. But we could break past the pre-market high, get up here, and run into resistance. But if that happens, at that point the Q should be green on the day. The Qs ain't that far from it. SQQQ still playing around, dog. Refusing to break down the 120 and red to green. Success trying to hold VWAP and the 9. The VIX is it keeps fading, but then coming down here and bouncing, and the Russell is just lamping down here on this quad bottom. I mean, with the numbers coming in cool, you think we'd actually get the melt up, right? Going into the close. See all those green prints. Oh shit! I think I dropped some frames. Oh yeah, it's over with. Yeah, I might be getting DDoS. Yeah, dropping too many frames. Look. Wait. That only happens when my shit starts getting attacked. Dropping way too many frames, bro. Yeah. Yeah, we dropping too many frames, bro. Did it come back? Like when I start dropping all them frames like that, the stream loses, it fucks everything up. And then I gotta start over. I mean, whatever though. Look at the Q's bouncing off VWAP. I'm seeing a lot of red prints here, bro. A lot of red prints. My shit's getting hit. Who the hell keeps texting me, man? What you want? What? What's up? I'll holler at you later. I got a computer. It's not a laptop. I got a computer, but it needs a case, like a PC case. Damn, dog. I wanted to, whatchamacallit? I wanted to catch the action for Power Hour, but it's looking like that's not gonna happen. My shit getting hit. Look at the SPY breaking past the pre-market high, bro. No, that might drag the Qs up. You would think since the numbers came in cool, we'd actually be more bullish. It sucks, dog. That shit keeps dropping too many frames. It's dropping too many frames. Let me see something. Yeah, it's dropping way too many frames, good. Oh God, I'll show you real quick. Right here, it's the network. It's not the hardware. It's the network. Let me see if I can do something real quick. Gotta bring it back. Yeah, we dropping way too many frames. Man, I wanted to check out this action for Power Hour, bro. It's been a while since I did a Power Hour stream. This is why I don't really live stream a lot no more. 'Cause every time I try to live stream, my shit gets attacked. Um, hmm. Can't do that. It's gonna crash my shit. Let's see if we can try to get it fixed. Yeah. Yeah. Dude. It's dropping way too many frames. So I already know shit's looking glitchy as hell, bro. Alright, whatever. What time is it? It's 2:42. Maybe I'll come back. I'll try to come back on Power Hour and try to get it straightened out real quick. So yeah. I mean, let's do something real quick. Yeah, I knew that was a stop hunt slash liquidity grab. Went long here, caught the move up there. Basically, that's it. Nothing too fancy. If that could help it. I should just disconnected everything though. Says 1, 2, 3, my Drake. The spy was breaking past. We got past the pre-market high. And I mean, it looks like the spy's trying to make a move. All those green prints. Let me see something real quick. Well, first, I don't know if I. All right, whatever though. Just be on the lookout for that move during Power Hour, bro. Especially the last 15 minutes. More importantly, the last 10. I'm dropping too many frames right now. So all